And today we're going to be solving multi-step worded problem linking to multiplication. To be successful, you're going to identify the calculation within a problem. You're going to use the most efficient method to solve the problem, which for us now will be our column method that we looked at yesterday, and you're going to be able to estimate in order to check your answer. So here is my problem today. The toy shop orders 11 boxes of marbles. Each box contains 6 bags of marbles, and each bag contains 45 marbles. How many marbles does the shop order in total? So I can see that in each box, you can see the box on the screen here, that each box has 6 bags in it, and then each of those bags I can see on the screen also has 45 marbles inside. So I can visually see this problem. First thing I'm going to ask myself is, what is the question asking me to find? The question is asking me to find the number of marbles in total. I want to know how many marbles the shop orders in total. There we go, in total. So all of the marbles. Next thing I'll ask myself, what knowledge do I need? Well, this is a multiplication problem here. I need probably my times tables knowledge there. I need to be able to use my column method because I can see that I'm working in numbers like 45. I'm likely to have to multiply by 45. So I'm going to use my column written method there. I'm also going to need to visualise this problem. So now let's have a look at what else I need to think. So what are the calculations I need to do, and how many steps are there going to be? Well, if I first figure out how many bags I have, well, if there are 11 boxes and 6 bags per box, then I'm going to be doing 11 times 6 in a moment, and then whatever that answer is, let's say for now it's y, then I need to know how many marbles there are in each bag. Well, I will then do y multiplied by how many marbles are there in each bag? 45. And that's where my column method comes in. So actually, there are 2 steps to this problem. Well, let's have a look at this in a little bit more detail. I'm just going to switch to a different colour here. So a toy shop orders 11 boxes of marbles, that's important, and each box contains 6 bags. So let's look at step 1. How many bags of marbles are there in 11 boxes? Well, here is my box. Each box contains 6. I can see 6 there, and I've got a picture having 11 of them. I can do that. I can picture that down here. So there would be 2 boxes with 6 in each, 3 boxes, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have my 11 boxes. As you can see, each box has 6 little compartments full of bags. So as I said on the other side, I've got 11 boxes with 6 bags in each box. 11 times 6, that's just my times table knowledge. I know that there are 66 bags being bought. So let's now take that to my step 2. There are 66 bags of marbles, and each bag contains 45 marbles. So in this bag there are 45 little marbles in here. I could look at that in my previous slide, and in each of these bags I have 45 little marbles, another 45 in this one, another 45 in this one, and I could do this all the way across. So, how do I find out how many marbles there are? Well, my calculation will be 66 multiplied by 45 now. So here, I can't do it in my head. I couldn't use my times table knowledge like I did in the last one. This time, I'm going to need my column method. 66, 45, remembering to line them up. So I'm going to start by multiplying 5 by both of the top 2 digits, and then I'm going to multiply 40 by both of the top 2 digits. So 5 times 6, I know it's 30, carry the 3, 5 times 6 is 30, add that 3, 33, and I haven't added it on the top line because I've got nothing else to multiply, so I'm just going to drop it down and leave it there. Next line, I need to remember my place value holder, and I've got 4 times 6 now, because my place value holder has made it 10 times bigger. So 4 multiplied by 6, 24, writing it in the wrong place there. And 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, add that to is 26 there. So now I'm going to add them up. Being careful not to add up that little 2 that I carried there, that's why I put it on the line. So there are 2,970 marbles in total. So today is a quite simple 2-step problem looking at marbles. So you have 4 of them there where I have changed the digits for you to do. I want to see all of your calculating. And those of you who have seen and noticed here in red, there is a checklist for you to go through in every calculation. I know I've rushed through because I'm just showing you how to solve the problem, but you are going to be estimating each calculation first, then calculating it, and then checking to see if your answer is near your estimation. So you have 4 questions to do. Once you've done that, your task 2 looks at this problem that I've just gone through in a slightly different way. Christy says something, do you agree with her? And Jack is trying to do this first calculation and he's representing it, do you agree with him? And there's a small extension on the bottom. As per normal, all answers are underneath.